Greetings. It's what me eat Wednesdays. I'm going to do a rap. I'm going to do a rap about a rap. A rap? Yes, a rap. A rap. Just like that. All you need is spelt flour, little oil Himalayan, and water. Okay, it's begun. Mix the flour and the Himalayan. Add the oil into the mixture. Me I use coconut oil for that one, yeah. Alright, you see the texture. Now you have to add the water. Make a dough with a little moisture. Not too dry, not sticky neither. Next step. Proceed. Get the dough. Start knead. Make a ball with how much you need. Depends how many mouths you have to feed. One side. Make it sit. Half hour. 30 minutes. Get a pan. Non-stick. Pan the fire soon ready for it. Then you take a piece of the ball. Not too big, not too small. Put it on a board covered with flour. Then roll it out into a tortilla. Next thing, you have to cook it for about half a minute. Then cook the other side. Give it a flip. Easy with a bit of practice. That's it. That's sweet. Take another piece of the ball. Repeat. All you have to do is fill in the wrap and ready for eat. Wrap. That was a wrap. Yes, a wrap. Just like that. How want me eat Wednesdays? Yes, I am.